day, kids, company, family and friends. It's me, Teacher Bronwyn. Let me remove my mask so you can hear me better. This week we are learning about occupations. So I'm first going to do about the community workers. I'm going to do 3 activities: a policeman hat, a fireman, and I'm also going to do a doctor mirror headband. First, I'm going to do the doctor mirror hat. But remember, we have to spritz and sanitize. All ready to go. For this craft, I'm going to need a scissor, a piece of foil, a stapler, and paper to cut. So first, I'm going to start and I'm going to fold my paper and I'm going to cut 2 long strips. So these are mine. Each measured so it's the same size. Here we go. Now we are just going to join them and ask your mommy to help you and staple the 2 strips to make a nice long one piece. Then you have to measure the size of your head. So I think that would be fine. Now you have the band that goes around the head of the doctor. But the doctor also needs a mirror, so I'm going to use the foil and just draw a circle and cut it out. And there we go. And then you also staple the mirror on. Perfect. Now we finish with a doctor mirror headband, and next we are going to do a fireman hat. What we're going to need for this craft is a bowl, a paper plate, a scissor to cut, a yellow piece of paper, some glue, paint, a paintbrush and a black marker. Let's start by first drawing half of the circle on the paper plate. And then just simply cut it out. Then give it a fold like that, and then just paint it afterwards. And let's start painting. All done. Next, let's cut out the badge. And just make the letter for fireman. And glue it on top. And there you have your fireman. And there you have your fireman hat. Next, we are going to make the policeman hat. For this craft, we are going to need colored paper, your print out paper that will be WhatsApp to mommy, a scissor to cut, a marker to trace them, and glue, a stapler, and let's start. So you can put your paper against the window so you can see better, and your colored paper on top, and then just trace. Let's trace the badge. I couldn't trace black on white, so I'm just going to put the paper underneath and cut it out. So let's go. And there you have your black band. Let's cut the badge out. And the hat. And the bottom part of the head. So let's bring everything together. So let's put some glue on and stick your band on the bottom part as well. And write police on the badge. And stick it in the middle. For it to go around our head, we need two strips of paper. Staple it. Measure the size of your head. That would be fine. And staple it like that. And you're good to go. And there you have your policeman hat. Which one was your favorite one to make? I see you next time. Bye!